So in this video, we'll be discussing 10 websites that pays you with PayPal. That is 10 ways you can earn money into your PayPal account. And we are doing this because PayPal is actually one of the best payment methods you can use as a Nigerian, although you still have to open maybe Lesotho account, Arab Emirate accounts, but it is still one of the easiest payment methods you can use in Nigeria. And let me show you the 10 websites, the 10 best websites you can use to earn PayPal money in Nigeria in 2023. So the 10 ways you can make PayPal money as a Nigerian is, and the first one is Mobrog. Mobrog is like a paid online surveys. You fill surveys online and you get points, then you can convert those points to PayPal, to dollar. Then you get your money through PayPal. So that's the first one, online survey website, Mobrog. Then the second one is Timebox. Get paid to post on Facebook, fill funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. So this is the second website you can use to make PayPal money. Once you do all this, any of these, you get points, and you can now convert the points to money. Then you withdraw the money through PayPal. So this is the second. And the next one is Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs is more like Fiverr or Upwork. So as a freelancer, you can actually complete little maybe entry-level task here, and you get paid for completing these tasks, for doing maybe design or writing or anything for people, and you earn your money through PayPal. So, and the next one is, of course, the almighty Fiverr. It's always my favorite, because that's the place that I earn most of my money. So you can actually freelance, maybe as a graphic designer, web designer. You can do any freelancing work on Fiverr. You create your gig, then buyers comes to you and they pay you for any work you do for them. And the next one is Upwork. It is more like Fiverr. Buyers post the work that they need, and you bid for the work. You send proposal to them, and once they pick you, you can now help them to do the job. Then they pay you for that. So, and the next one is Redbubble. Redbubble is more like Teespring. So what you do here is, it is print-on-demand website. You earn money by actually maybe any of this printing material, by selling it online. They will just print it and send it to the person. Then you earn money for any printing job done. So you earn a commission for that. So, and the next one is Money App. Money App is more like the second one, which is Timebox. That is for doing micro services, micro tasks online. You earn money for doing that, and this complete simple offers and earn money. So you can complete simple, like store check. You can check a website, check it out. Once you check it out, they'll give you a point. So you can now convert that point to money. You can collect your money through PayPal. So, and the next one is iPoll. So iPoll is also a micro task website and survey too. So you can actually review some products. You can check the product out, maybe check a website out. Then you can review, you can give feedback about the website. Then you earn reward, and that reward you can now withdraw it as PayPal funds. That's how iPoll works. So the next one is Swagbucks. So Swagbucks is also a micro task website, because as you can see, most of the websites that you can earn PayPal money from are actually micro task websites. So you can earn points. Once you earn points, you can now get your point through, maybe you can withdraw your point through as gift card or as PayPal money. As you can see, PayPal, Walmart, Amazon card. So you can do this and you earn money. And some of the tasks that you can do is play video games, search the web, answer surveys, find great deals to earn your points. As you can see, shop online. You can also shop online and you earn rewards. And the next one, which is the 10th one, which is the last one, is Userfill. Userfill is more like user testing website, whereby you test a website. You can test how a website works, maybe how easy is website to use. So that feedback or that survey will be reported back to the owner of the website, and the owner of the website pays for all these reviews, for this user testing. Then you can now earn any reward you get from this website through PayPal. So, and that's the last one. And after earning your PayPal money, you can now come to this, as a Nigerian, you can come to this website and you can see the rates, the black market rate, and you can exchange your paper fund to Naira on this website, or you can contact me. And I will attach a copy of the article, of this article, 10 ways to make paper money. So I will attach a copy to the description so you can check if you can check it out in more detail. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. Thanks. Peace.